Hello everybody, I'm Sarah and I'm a recorder player. Squid Game! Have you been watching Squid Game? Who hasn't been watching Squid Game? 2 of the tracks from the soundtrack feature the recorder, so of course I had to make a tutorial. You can follow the notes and me on the screen, but if you'd like to download the sheet music, I am super happy to announce my covers of TV and movie themes are now available at musicnotes.com. Link in the description. First up, you are going to need a soprano recorder. I am going to ask you to do something that I would normally never do. There's a D sharp that keeps popping up, and instead of using the proper fingering, I'm going to ask you just to take all your fingers off the recorder. It gives a slightly detuned effect, which works really nicely with the clash that you hear in the harmony if you're playing along with the original. Let's get into it. You'll hear there in the section with the E's and F sharps. I get this percussive effect by blowing a bit less but tonguing really hard. That also gives the added benefit that you don't run out of air as quickly, meaning you can do those 4 bars in one breath. But if you need to miss out a note or breathe in between, that's fine too. For the next piece, you are going to need 2 recorders, a soprano and an alto, and we're going to be playing them at the same time. Playing 2 recorders at the same time is perfectly possible. Composers love it. How I would practice this is have your alto recorder in your left hand and practice that line on its own first. I'm going to support the recorder by putting my little finger underneath it. Might take a bit of time to get used to it, so you can also rest it on your knee. And then actually for this section, all you need to do is take an A on your soprano and have that playing every time you play an alto note, if that makes sense. As it continues, we have not 2 but 3 lines. So what I've done is add the voice. You've got an A on the soprano and then an octave below that, a G sharp with your voice. I've tried to make this easier by making sure the only thing you play with your right hand on the soprano is an A. You fix this, and then the only thing you have to think about is what this hand is doing. Let's try it. Good luck. If you have 3 people and you want to play this as a trio, then feel free. I just thought it was really fun to be able to play all of those voices by yourself. So I hope you enjoy playing this music just as much as I'm sure my neighbours enjoyed listening to me transcribing this at 8 in the morning. If you want to buy the sheet music from my music notes profile, you can do so at the link in the description. I'm also going to have all my scores of everything from Lord of the Rings to Titanic, Star Wars, what else have I done? And if you have requests, just let me know. As always, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face down here. Over here's the team recorded Patreon where you can choose to support the channel, and here's another couple of tutorials. Have a great day. Bye!